Shalom Aleichem, welcome to Assyrian Dishes Gardening. I'm Julian and today I'll be showing you how to grow turnips from seed in a container. So let's start gardening. These are the equipment you will need to grow turnips, and you'll need some organic vegetable, potting soil, some mulch or wood chips for drainage. This is the mulch. This is the potting soil, some earthworm castings, organic fertilizer, water-soluble fertilizer, the seeds, labels, and a 15 to 16 inch container, which is about 5 gallons, with drainage holes. First thing we need to do is add the mulch at the bottom of the container for drainage, just like that. Then we add the potting soil. Break off any lumps. That's how it looks like, just up to this line. Your soil is ready. The next thing we're going to do is add about a cup of the worm castings. Mix that in the soil. Add 2 tablespoons of the fertilizer. Remember, add only the specified amount for that vegetable. Work it in the soil. It's a slow releasing fertilizer. You'll only need to put it once. Now it's time to plant the seeds. I'll be planting the turnips on the middle, in the inside, and the beets on the outside. You need to space them about 10 centimeters apart in the middle, half an inch deep, with 2 finger length spacing. The turnip seeds are very small, so I'll try to put 1 in each hole and cover it up. They will take about 55 to 60 days to harvest. I'll be adding half a cap of this water-soluble fertilizer in my watering can. Mix it up. Feed the vegetables with the water-soluble fertilizer every 14 days, but check your soil every day for watering. Next thing we'll do is, don't forget to label. Got my turnips. It's been 8 weeks since I planted the turnip seeds in a container. Now it's time to harvest them. Turnips in Assyrian is called shalgam, but if you have another word for it, please let me know in the description box. As you can see, the turnips are ready as soon as they start picking out like this. They have the purple tops on top, like this. I love eating pickled turnips with beetroot with my rizza and shorba dishes. I'll provide the link to the pickled turnip recipe in the description box. The easiest way just to get these turnips out, sort out these leaves. Just take them out from the roots, just like this. Yank them out. There you go. Look at that. So cute. Take these old leaves off. Look at these beautiful roots. This is a small one and I'll grab the other ones. Look at that one. So nice. I'll harvest the rest of them and I'll show you how they look like. I've just cleaned up all the turnips and this is how they look like. Remember to subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share this video with your friends. Happy gardening, everyone.